All right, this is another question here. Okay, now there are some indices question that you have to apply about 2 or 3 laws of indices. So that's to tell you that you need to know all these rules of indices. Now, if you look at this one, 5x all is different from 5x cube. This one is all raised to power 3. So what do you do here? Don't forget that these three we have done it before. These three will be the power will be given to each factors in the bracket. So what do I do? That will be 5 cube multiplied by x cube. I've shared the power now because the power is for the two of them. Then this sign is division sign. Now the same thing here. 25x raised to power 6 also raised to power 1 over 2. We have about 2 laws of indices here. We have the power law and product power law. Now let me cite an example. If I have 2x y, this one is raised to power 3, then all raised to power 2. What do you do here? This power will be given to this. It will also be given to this. Now let's do that. We have 2 cube multiplied by x. Now this x already has its own power before, but it will still share from this power, then multiply by y square. And now when you have two powers, power law, the power multiply each other. So 2 square is 4 times x, that will be x raised to power 6, 3 times 2, then y square. So that's what we are going to do here. But the power is a fraction, don't you worry, okay? So the square root of everything. But since you already know sharing of power, so let's do it that way. So I have 25 raised to power 1 over 2. Then also this one we also share from the power. I'm trying to break it down 1 by 1. Okay, so that means 5 cube is 125. Then x raised index, where you have the fraction, you take the square root of this. So that will be root of 25. Everything raised to power 1. This one we have done it. That is the 7th law of indices. Then multiply this one also. Now power 6 times 1 over 2. All right, so sorry, that gives me cube divided by the square root of 25 is 5 raised to power 1 times 2 here 1, 2 here. So here I have me 125 s cube divided by what? 5 raised to power 1 is 5, then s cube. This is not the final answer. We now solve now. What do we do? This is division. This will be divided by this. This will be divided by this. 125 divided by 5. Then everything, the base are equal. That is x. 5 in 25 is 5. So that is 25. Then x. Then the power, which is 0, is only for x. So separate them because 25 times s raised to power 0 is still the same thing as that. So that gives me, and any number raised to power 0 is 1. I'm trying to tell you that it is only x that has this power. Okay, now the answer is going to be 25 times 1 as 25.